What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi issue on Windows 10. So if you look at your Wi-Fi icon right here on the top bottom, you've probably seen the red X and the yellow exclamation mark next to it, or you've probably been seeing it blinking and slowing your internet speed. So I'm about to show you three methods to fix that. So the first method will be you have to right click on your wireless icon here and click on troubleshoot problems. So the first method will be troubleshooting your network. Allow Windows 10 to troubleshoot your network and follow the instructions and see what it tells you to do, okay? And when you finish that, now I'm not gonna go through that process because it takes a bit of time, okay? But follow the instructions and let it do what it tells you to do, okay? And when you finish that, restart your computer and check if the problem is solved. If this problem has not been solved, if this method didn't solve your problem, there's the second method, which you have to click on your start menu, click on the settings gear icon, click on system, uh, click on power and sleep, then you go to your additional power settings, you choose change plan settings and change advanced power settings. So here you locate your wireless adapter settings. You click on the plus icon next to it, click on the plus icon next to power saving mode, and here on battery and plugged in, you should choose the maximum performance. So open the drop down and choose maximum performance for both. Okay, this will allow your wireless network to adapter to perform at maximum performance, whether it's on battery or plugged in. Okay, when you finish that, click on apply and click OK, and then restart your computer. Okay, so after you restart, check if the problem has been solved. If the problem hasn't been solved yet, there's a third method, which is the following. The third method, you have to right click on your start menu, right click, okay, and choose device manager. All right, then you locate your network adapters. Okay, you open it and you choose Realtek Wi-Fi adapter. You locate it and you right click on it and you click on update driver. So you're probably having a driver that is not working well for the updated Windows that you have. And what you're going to do is click on search automatically for updated driver software. Click on that and allow Windows to search for updated drivers and to install them for you. So I'm not going to go through that right now. So if it finds new software, new drivers for your wireless, it will install them for you. Okay. All right. So one more step in this third method is to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and click on properties, click on power management, and here you might see allow the computer turn off this device to save power. You might see it ticked. Okay, untick that, leave it empty, and click on OK. So when you're done with this, restart your computer and hopefully your problems will be fixed. You won't have any more Wi-Fi issues. And that's it, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what would you like to show me in my next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and take care.